Do you want to speak English like a native kid? Watch this real-life conversation between a mom and her child. Simple, natural, and 100% useful.
Wake up time.
Good morning, sweetie. Time to wake up.
Just 5 more minutes, Mom.
No, you'll be late for school.
Okay, I'm up. But I'm still sleepy.
Let's wash your face. That will help.
Getting ready.
What do you want to wear today?
I want my red t-shirt.
Okay. And pants or shorts?
Shorts. It's hot today.
Good choice. Let's brush your teeth next.
Can I do it myself?
Of course, big boy.
Breakfast.
Breakfast is ready.
Yay! What are we having?
Toast with eggs and a glass of milk.
Can I have some fruit too?
Sure. Do you want banana or apple?
Banana, please.
Leaving for school.
Got your backpack?
Yes. And my lunchbox too.
Great. Let's put on your shoes.
Mom, can we listen to music in the car?
Sure. You picked the song today.
Yay! Let's go!
Sweet goodbye.
Have a great day at school.
I will. Love you, Mom.
Love you more, sweetie.
Did you enjoy this real-life conversation? Practice these lines with your mom or your kid. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English videos.